introducing the Reverse Martingale Strategy. One of Deriv Bot's preset strategies designed to help you navigate the markets with ease. The concept behind this strategy is that the stake increases as per the preset multiplier after introducing the Reverse Martingale Strategy. Here is how it works. Start by choosing your initial stake and Reverse Martingale multiplier. For example, 1 USD as an initial stake and 2 as the Reverse Martingale multiplier. If the first trade is a successful one, the Deriv Bot will automatically multiply your stake for the next trade to 2 USD. The Deriv Bot will continue to double the stake after every successful trade. If a trade results in loss, the stake for the following trade will be reset to the initial stake amount. The objective of the Reverse Martingale strategy is to take advantage of consecutive successful trades and maximize potential profits. As a precautionary measure, the maximum stake feature in Deriv Bot can be activated to safeguard potential profits, considering that consecutive successful trades may not persist indefinitely. This approach helps mitigate the risk of losing both accumulated profits and the initial stake. For example, if your goal is to maximize potential profits within 2 consecutive successful trades, you set a maximum stake of 3 USD, given your initial stake is 1 USD. Here, you will see that with the maximum stake, you are still able to have a net gain of 2 USD even if the trade results in a loss. Without the maximum stake, your next trade, if in loss, would result in a net loss of 1 USD. This helps you to manage your risk and enables you to focus on potential profits when the market is in your favor. You can also manage risks by setting profit and loss thresholds. For example, if you set a profit threshold at 100 USD and the strategy exceeds 100 USD in profit from all trades, the bot will stop running. The vice versa will also apply for the loss threshold. The Reverse Martingale strategy can be a useful trading tool when implemented wisely and with caution. It is highly recommended to evaluate your risk tolerance, practice on a demo account, set profit and loss thresholds, and familiarize yourself with the Martingale strategy before engaging in real money trading. More information on preset strategies can be found in the Tutorials tab.